Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys, and today I want to talk about this steering wheel. We've had a number of calls over the years asking if we have a lower profiled steering wheel or something that's not quite as big. If you're a tall guy, if you're a heavy guy, if it just feels like the steering wheel is just a little too big in your lap, we have a fix for you guys. So sometimes what guys will do is they'll just try to, mess with the wheel well. They'll take out some material. They'll move the seat back. Well, if you don't feel like that's something that you're as confident with, what we do have here now is a steering wheel that has a smaller diameter. So as you can see, it's a 3-spoke steering wheel. It's about 2 inches less in diameter. I believe this is 15 inches diameter. Smaller than the original by a decent amount. About an inch all the way around. Fits right on exactly the way it's supposed to. Has the proper diameter, proper spline count. Fits right in place. You can slide it all the way down, get your nut on there. The horn button cover, we do sell it. It comes with its own button cover. You can use the same button that you were using originally, put it on, put this over top, and then this button will then actuate the inner button and nut that goes on there. We also sell, this is the CJ5 button. We sell this as a kit. Comes with wiring and everything. If you take this right here, you want it to look more like the CJ5, don't use this, still put this right here on. And then this cover right here slips right into place and presses in. So you've got this big button here, just like the CJ5. You've got a lower profile steering wheel now. 3-spoke, same material as the 2A, 3A, 3B. It's gonna be a gloss black paint. It's a really good option if you're a tall guy, if you're a hefty guy, or if you just want a little extra room on the steering wheel in your lap without having to move your seat back. So this is it installed. Our part number is 994139. You can find it on kaiserwillys.com. So I hope this helps. If you're looking for a lower profile steering wheel that doesn't look unoriginal, has more of an original look, 3-spoke, high gloss or a glossy black finish, powder coated. It's really nice. You can use the CJ5 button here. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.